Firstly, what you do is to wash your hands, make sure they are clean. Then you pick up your lens, which you must have prepped with solution already. Then you proceed to put it in your eye. Make sure you use your hand as seen and fix it. Then you close your eye for some seconds to make sure the lens adjusts. Then you proceed to your second eye. You follow procedure as you can see. Close your eye for some seconds, or you can use your hand to adjust it. And that's all. So that is how you can put your lens in without having red eye and without crying. Very easy.